Hello friends, today we are learning wild animals. Wild animals live in forests and jungles. Let's see them. Lion. This is a lion. Lion says roar. Tiger. This is a tiger. It has black strips. Wow, a baby tiger. Can we play with it?
Of course.
Elephant. This is an elephant. It has a long trunk.
Wow, elephant, do the water trick. Yes, show us your trick. Yay, that's so fun.
Giraffe. This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck.
Wow, Mommy, look, a giraffe. It is. Let's wave hello. Hi, giraffe.
Zebra. This is a zebra. It has black and white strips. Monkey. This is a monkey. It likes to climb trees. Bear. This is a bear. It is big and strong.
Mommy, look, the teddy bear is so cute. Yes,
Fox. This is a fox. It is clever and fast.
Wow, a fox. Look,
He's so cute. Look at his tail wag. He likes you.
Wolf. This is a wolf. It howls loudly. Deer. This is a deer. It runs very fast.
wow, Mom, look at the cute deer.
It's beautiful, sweetie. So magical.
It's running so fast.
Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. It has a big horn.
Wow, a baby rhino.
He's so cute. Let's clap for him.
Yay, go rhino.
Hippopotamus. It likes water and mud.
He's so happy.
Again, Fleshy.
Crocodile. This is a crocodile. It has strong teeth.
Look, sweetie, a smiling crocodile.
Wow, so fun. Yay.
Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. It jumps very high.
Wow, look at them jump. So cute.
Panda. This is a panda. It likes eating bamboo.
Mommy, look, the panda is so cute.
Yes, sweetie, it's adorable.
I love it.
Me too.
Leopard. This is a leopard. It has beautiful spots.
Wow, it's so fast. Yay, run. Amazing.
Cheetah. This is a cheetah. It runs very fast.
Look, Mommy, a cute leopard cub.
Yes, dear.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
Camel. This is a camel. It lives in the desert. Mommy, look! A cute camel!
Yes, sweetie, he's so happy. Yay! He's smiling.
Gorilla. This is a gorilla. It is big and powerful. Wow, a friendly.
He's so gentle.
Smile. Snake. This is a snake. It says hiss, hiss.
Wow, a smiling snake.
Yes, it's very friendly.
Wild animals are amazing. Which animal do you like the most? See you in the next fun video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye friends.